Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. My name is Imalaziz Khan and I welcome you to yet another session of the network simulation series. In this session, we are going to discuss about a new topic that is based on webmail server, and we are going to discuss that how two users on a switch and a router are being able to communicate with each other by using the mail service. And we are going to implement this task practically. So after this tutorial, you will be able to understand the concept of a web mail server using packet tracer. So now let us implement our proceeding. So first of all, I will take out the necessary tool required for forming this network. That will be basically the server that is going to be used for these two users to be able to communicate with each other. After that, we will be using a router, then a switch, and in the end, two users, user 1 and user 2. Now I'll establish connection between this user by using an automatic wire. So connection is now established. Now I will put in the IPs so that if I forgot the IPs, I will be able to remember that 192.168.2.1 and 192.168.3.1. The gateways assigned have been mentioned. Now let me assign IPs to the individual PCs. First of all, 192.168.2.2 is the IP assigned to this PC, having default gateway is 192.168.2.1. At the same time, I will assign IP to this PC, that is basically 3, and we will have IP as 1. So now the individual IPs have been assigned. Let me check it if it is correct or not. It is correct. So now let us proceed to this option. Now we will establish a connection between this router and this switch by assigning an IP as gateway. So first of all, go to the CLI, we will click no, then we'll go to the enable option. After that, we will press the command configure terminal. After that, we will just put in the command interface gigabit ethernet. We will check out the range of this ethernet, that is 0/0/1. That is basically 0/0/1. Now we will assign an IP that is 192.168.2.1, having subnet 255.255.255.0 as it is of class C. Now we will press the command no shutdown, and after that we will assign another IP that will be used as a gateway between this router and this server. So let us proceed to this as well. First of all, we'll go on the once again press the command interface gigabit ethernet, that is basically 0/0/0. So I will write down the range of this, that is 0/0/0. After that, I will assign an IP that is basically 192.168.3.1, having subnet mask 255.255.255.0. But I will press the command no shutdown, and then I will exit. So first of all, I need to check whether the network assigned is being formed successfully or not. So let us see. I want to communicate between this PC, is successfully formed, and I want to go from here to here, it is also been successfully formed. So hence we see that the network is successfully formed. Now I will assign an IP to this DHCP server. I will go to the services, where I will go to the email option. Here I will create a domain, that is khan.com, that is set. Basically, after that I will assign the user, first user, that is basically my name, email, having password 123, and now I want to assign another user that will be basically, let's say, Aziz, having password 1234. So these are the two users having domain this. Now I will go and start the proceeding, that is basically composing mail between these two users, that is Emil and Aziz. First of all, I will write the information of Emil. Emil having email address as emil@.com. Now I will assign the IP of this particular server, that will be used as both incoming as well as the outgoing. So it has been assigned. Now once again I will write down the username and mention the password 123. It has been saved. One thing I forgot, I think, is assigning IP to this server. I will assign it just now. Go to list and assign IP to this server 192.168.3.2, and get will be assigned as 3.1. So this IP is also assigned. Okay, now I will go to the second PC and at the same time configure its domain. Aziz having email us at khan.com. Incoming mail server will be the same, outgoing mail server will also be the same, and username having password 1234. Now let us proceed to what we want, that is composing an email from this user to the second user. So we will compose an email by just writing aziz@khan.com mail hello. Let's see if it is sent or not. It is sent. Now we'll come to this PC and check whether the mail has been received or not. Go to the receive option. Yes, you can see that the mail has been received. That is a blank mail from Emil, and the date is also being shown. Now let us see the subject. It has been written hello. Similarly, we want to compose mail from Emil to from Aziz to Emil. So we'll type the email emil@khan.com blank mail. I'm fine, brother, and send. So an email has been sent to Emil. Now let us check that whether Emil has received. So we'll go to the receive option and check. Yes, message has been received from Aziz Ahmed Khan, and the message is I'm fine, brother. So in this way, you can use different user, and they can be easily able to communicate with each other with the help of a webmail server. This was all about the webmail server. I thank you all for listening to me politely, and if you are having a certain amount of queries or question, you can ask it in the comment section. It's all from me. Thank you all. Allah.